What's going on, everybody? Hopefully you're able to skip the ad and you're in here now. Frank is fast, man. My goodness, this dude. Tony, he got you by a little bit, man. Frank is fast as can be. No AMC hashtag. We got AMC hashtags in there. Come on now. Hello. Nick F is in the chat right now. Oh my goodness gracious. Nick F. All right, everybody with me, guys. Nick F, you are here, right? You're here? Nick F, are you in here? Come on now. Tell me you're in here, Nick F. It's go time. It's go time if you're in here. Alright, Nick F is in here. Everybody with me. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nick F. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Nick F. Oh, yes, man. Just bought more Shiba. Very nice, Tony. I love it, man. Hola, Clay, bro. Hello, JJ. How you doing? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Nick F. Heck yeah. AMP, SHIB, Saitama, Pinu, and others. Nice, Ryan. 10 people already? Yes. In a quick before you don't see the comments. Yes. In quick before you don't see my comments. Like it, Redline Sean. Glad you're in here, man. Happy birthday, bro. Heck yeah. Okay, give me some good news. Happy birthday, Nick F. The good news is today is Nick F's birthday. And Banana Man said, what's that now? Banana Man, thank you for the super chat. Once again, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nick F. Happy birthday to you. Oh, yes, Nick F. Every hour on the hour, we are singing happy birthday to Nick F. I love it, guys. Make sure to remind me. Another one coming at least at 4 o'clock and then at 5 o'clock again. Buy more Shiba Inu. Salvador Sanchez Gabriel. Yes, buy more Shiba Inu. Ooh, Scorpio life. Must be rough. Whatever that means, Hammer. Whatever that means. Nobody knows. But whatever that means, you sound like you know what it means. You think it's normal for Shiba to go down right now? Yes, 100%. Akuma Lord. I think that it is definitely normal for Shiba to go down right now, especially after what Robinhood was saying yesterday. I am not concerned at all about the pullback and the decline that we saw in price there. I think it's completely normal that Shiba pulled back a little bit. Happy birthday, Nick. Danelle, yes. Astrology. Gotcha. Astrology business. You know more than I do about that. Did you hear about Kanye West buying Shiba? I did not hear about Kanye. He did not call me and tell me that he bought some Shiba. Shame on you, Kanye. Shame on you. You should call me and tell me the next time you buy it. And which AMC shares, the earlier the better. They can't have them. They cannot have them. No, they really can't have them. They're not going to get my AMC shares. I might just hold them for life. For real. Will reach 42 to 44. AMC? Dude, I hope it reaches 42 to 44. I think it may go to low 40s and bounce off of it. Yeah, so we do have a little bit of resistance now in the 40s, man. That 40 level is going to be significant, but I would really like a nice bounce up to 40s. Should we be worried about this dip? No. I don't think we should be worried about the dip in AMC or in Shiba. Kanye was talking about weed. Is there a weed called Shiba Inu? Weed? Hey, Clay, happy birthday, Nick. Cavilo. Hey, thank you for telling Nick happy birthday. What's up with Kanye? I don't know what's up with Kanye. What is up with Kanye? Peyton is back. I jinxed it, bro. Shib is getting wild, man. I like it when Shib is wild. Shib being wild is good. 49.77. Nothing wrong with 49.77, guys. It'll be okay. We're just kind of testing those boundaries that we got there in that 4-hour range. As you can see, we might possibly be going back up into that wedge there. If we don't, guys, it'll be okay. We got next level of major support down here at 4,300, but hopefully we find our way back into that wedge and bust out to the upside from there. That's what I got my hopes for. We'll see how it goes. Proper divvy, let's go. Hi, bye. Pringleton, are you leaving? Oh, Pancakes. Can't stay. Have a good day. He said hi, bye to Pancakes. Pancakes! Why can't you stay? Clay, bro, just a heads up. We don't observe daylight savings time in Arizona, really? So my lunch doesn't align with the market close anymore most days. I may be here less. Dude, I need to move to Arizona. I don't want it to get dark out at 5 o'clock. I need to move to Arizona. Is it okay if I just don't observe daylight savings time? Like everybody else can, but I just don't want to. Am I allowed to do that? Never thought about that before. Can I just say it's 4:30 right now? What's the deal? Why only 9 people? Click the like button. What are you doing with 9 likes? My goodness. How rude is that? So, is the market tanking because of Evergrande? Redline Sean. I honestly don't think that it is tanking because of Evergrande or Evergrande, however you say it. It was going down a lot yesterday. Some people may point to that as being a catalyst for the decline and so on. Honestly, from what I was reading, I think they defaulted and then they went out and just paid their bills late. I did see that, you know, like 2 hours ago or whatever, it was official that they had defaulted. And then like 45 minutes ago, there were reports being released that they had gone out and paid their debt obligations. So I think that I think they did it late, dude. He's much. Crystal! Who's much? Saying I hate daylight savings. Yeah, it's ridiculous, man. Nobody wants it to get dark out at 5 o'clock. Not coming this live just because I saw it. Just saying happy birthday, Nick F. Chris. Nice, man. Yes, happy birthday to Nick F. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Nick F. Happy birthday to you. Oh, Kanye. Yeah, Kanye is a lot, man. Kanye is a lot. Crystal, you're right on that one. I don't lie. Belgium doesn't. Oh my gosh. I've bought back in 10 million this dip. I like it. Proper D. Shiba Army. Zachariah with the blue name. Nice. Good afternoon, holders. Kevin, I am a holder, so you're saying good afternoon to me. This is hardly, dude. This is hardly tanking, man. Tanking at what does it say here? And I don't even see the decrease there. Down 10%. That is not a tank for a crypto. Definitely not a crypto as volatile as Shiba. Oh, dude, I just drank that string. I didn't like that. Dude, Cheryl says that's why she moved to Arizona. I want to move to Arizona because of that. Hold on, I gotta make this bigger. Good, good. All right, Europe is still arguing about daylight savings time being removed or not. Listen. I don't really, like, okay, I get it. I'm used to it getting really dark, really early in winter. If we did away with daylight savings time, clearly I would want it to be lighter, later, not, like, darker, earlier. That would be terrible to get rid of the other one. But, I don't know, I'm used to it. I just don't like it when it's dark out at 5 o'clock. I would prefer it be light out later. Shiba don't need no Robin Hood. I 100% agree with you. I still think it would be some nice icing on the cake if we did get Robin Hood, but I don't think that Shiba needs Robin Hood. Shiba Army is strong. Dude, Shiba Army is stronger than Robin Hood. Set a mask, launch on the 13. Let's get it. Show us your Shiba portfolio. Sans Productions. I can't do it, man. I can't do it. I forgot my password. I don't know how to log in. Clearbro, how do you feel about AGC? Do you think the merger with Grab will make the stock squeeze? Honestly, I don't know. I don't know anything about the merger talks between the two of them. I don't know what AGC is at right now. I have no idea. I made it what I missed. DD214, you missed me singing happy birthday to Nick F. We're going to get Nick F so many birthday wishes today. It's going to be ridiculous. He's going to have the best birthday ever. Bro, I live in a larger city off Nord American. Can't complain. Bruno Van Versa. Good deal, man. Good deal. Not exactly sure what that means, but I like it. Shiba's coming to 4,800 again, and I'm buying again. Nice. Skywalker. When Shiba pump? Hopefully soon. Yes, I used to live in Brussels. You forgot mussels in white wine, though. Could be good. What's your thoughts on the burn of Shiba on Friday? Do you think it will go up? Crystal, how much are they burning on Friday? I don't know what's going on with the Friday burn, but if they do burn a decent amount, then clearly, I think anytime there's a significant burn, the price could shoot up because of it. Riptide Redemption, afternoon, folks. Do you think we're in for surprise tomorrow, good or bad? Aaron, I hope good, man. Oh, well, happy birthday, Nick. F, heck yeah. Click, closed out my $51 covered calls for this Friday, 98% profit. Took profits and got bull put spread 35-34, collecting 25 per contract. Dang it, Frank F. I love it, man. I'm gonna grab my tablet real quick. I love it, dude. Frank just money making, man. Frank owns a printing press, and guess what that press prints? Money. Frank owns a printing press, and that press prints money, dude. I like it. Evening, Riptide Redemption. I spent my entire life savings on this dip. I'm all in, guys. I have $250 left to live off until payday. Dang, man, my dude likes to live on the edge. I don't understand why all of you guys try to make me so nervous all the time. But you certainly do. Burn party. Let's get it. How much we burning on Friday? What's up, Riptide Redemption? Same payday, looking good. Dude, I'm glad. Payday's looking good. You guys are going to be doing good. Has Grandpa got a YouTube channel? I don't think so. I don't think Grandpa has a YouTube channel. Grandpa should, I don't think he'd be allowed. I was going to say, Grandpa should just, like, live stream his work so you guys could see what it's like to work on some power lines, but I don't think he'd be allowed. I'd probably be, like, a serious liability. 20 minutes to close. Beer o'clock. It is not beer o'clock, man. It's lemonade o'clock. Let's see here. It's supposed to be a party. Burn, burn, burn party. AMC to rise up again Friday and Monday. We have steak pizza with mayo on it, and don't take that lightly. Dude, I'm comfortable making pizzas now. Like, I'm comfortable making my own dough. I was taking a risk last night, but comfortable making my own dough. I could start experimenting with sauces. Like, you don't go just straight mayo, right? I mean, you would have to make some sort of a mayonnaise-based sauce. Is that correct? I mean, if I'm making some sort of a mayonnaise-based sauce, I can get on with that, but straight mayo? I ain't going straight mayo. I'd watch Grandpa live just hanging some power line. Dude, I would probably watch that too, just to check in and see what's going on. Oh, I don't think he would be able to do that though, man. Could you imagine, like, if he did that and got hurt because he was streaming? That would be so bad. I've seen that mug before. Yes, you have, Ninja Gamer. It's Investoclock. There you go. Investoclock. I like it. It's a nice day, but have some additional SHIB for your portfolio. It is a nice day to add some additional Shiba to your portfolio. I agree with that, man. Let's see. Daisies and Dreams. The pizza looked yummy. The pizza was yummy. It was actually better cold. Straight mayo, bro. Don't use Oh, no, dude. I can't use straight mayo, man. I gotta make some sort of a mayonnaise-based sauce or something. Who would use just straight mayo on their pizza? Clint, I asked yesterday, and all I got was crickets. Can someone pass ownership of shares to another person and crypto? So, yeah, you can actually... Oh, boy. Hold on. You can transfer ownership of your shares. If, like, I was going to do that to you, it's not going to work, right? Like, I can't just sit there and easily transfer shares from one person to another. But yes, you can transfer ownership. If I was to, like, do a giveaway or something and say, all right, let's give away a share of AMC. I'm just going to give you the money for AMC, and then you can go out and buy it if you want. But you can transfer ownership of stocks. But you have to, like, register with AMC and then re-register with the new person and so on. It's not easy just to do that. Let's see here. Yeah, Frank, I gotcha. I heard it this time. Finally. All right, now we're on silent. Okay, coming back here. Are we good? All right, we're good. All right, Chipotle mayo could be better. Do it on a pizza, though. I'll be listening, bro, but I gotta go now. Redline Sean, hang out with us, man. Just eat mayo from the spoon. No, not happening. Chipotle mayo, chicken, and basil pizza. Daisies and Dream. Now that it sounds good. You're starting to speak my language here. Sweet mayo, regular. Some sort of special mayo on a pizza, man. If we're making a pizza with mayo, we gotta do this special. What's the program you are in? A Raven. The program is Weeble. If you were wondering what program is behind me on the screen, it is Weeble. You can download the mobile version by clicking on the link in the description below, or if you're on your computer right now, they also have this desktop app that you see on the screen. Bro, talk about Shiba, not food. Empty shells. What do you want to know about Shiba? Shiba pulling back a little bit right now, coming back out to the downside of that wedge we've been in on the 4-hour chart. Does your face hurt? Peyton, good question. No, the face doesn't hurt, but my jaws are getting a little sore. I'm wondering about that. But because it's killing him. Oh, gosh. Peyton, you're killing me, man. You're killing me. I'm killing with these Simicon 3X leverage bear ETFs, SOXX. Very nice. Joan de Jesus. I love it, dude. I made a Weeble, my swing trade account. Ryan, very nice. Crypto Planet is keeping us up with the burns. Very good, Crystal. Use molasses instead of sugar in the pizza dough. Amazing. Dang, Riptide Redemption. That does sound like something I'd be interested in. I want amazing, like, dude, tag me in some pizza dough recipes or something. What I made last night was good, but I feel like we could do better. Just got 16, is that 16 million? 16 million in Shiba. Very nice, Joseph. And Joseph, man, killing it on the countertop game. I love it, dude. Joseph sent me a video of some sweet epoxy countertops that he did. Amazing work, man. I can't believe there's so many talented people in here. It's like incredible. Shiba is down a lot. Oh, man, 10% I wouldn't say is a lot, dude. That's about 400, 500 points. And we've got much greater swings than 400 or 500 points. Darn, bro, you're too quick for YouTube. They gotta update this so I can get the punchline out before you. Oh, just hate it when the dude on the screen's too fast, Peyton. It's terrible, man. It's terrible. Good luck next time. Good luck. You're gonna need it. Fasten up, YouTube, because Peyton's too slow. Pineapple mayo pizza. You guys are talking nonsense right now, man. Clay seems like most coins are dipping. Hey, Jay, everything's dipping in the red today, man. I mean, take a look at this watch list over here. Prague is Prague and Tesla. Tesla's a beast. So is Prague. Only things in the green, man. Farmy's sitting at 32.16. NASDAQ down almost 2% today. AMC sitting at 38.39. MMAT 476. GameStop below 200 again. CEI down 10% today. Fund sitting at 390, down another 4%. My goodness. Dogecoin 26 cents. Shiba Inu down 10% today. Hard day overall for the market, man. 188 million in Shiba. Can't wait for this bounce, Clay. Jacob, I can't either, man. Shiba gonna crash. Luke, I don't think, listen, I know there's a lot of people out there thinking that Shiba's gonna crash, but, you know, I don't think, we can see a pullback a little further than where we're at right now, but as far as, like, crashing, man, and just, like, burning and dying, even if a lot of the people who bought in because of the hype end up leaving, I still think that there's going to be so many people that see, oh, crap, dude, Shiba did go up to 8,800 points. Now it's trading at 1,000 again. I can go out there and 10x my money easy, and it's going to cause another massive rally where people are excited about the potential that Shiba has. Peyton, thank you for the super chat. If your jaw hurts, I could send you some Triactin. Well, dude, send me some Triactin. It's all right. It's because I talk too much, man. It's because I talk too much. Got a strong jaw because I sit here and talk all day long. But thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate you, man. And I thought it was going to be $2.69, but it was $2.79. All right. Hopefully tomorrow's a better day. Hachi back. I mean, the odds are in favor of tomorrow being a much better day. Damian Hamilton, can you review Iotx? KRI, please. Thanks again. So are you talking about cryptos? If you're talking about cryptos, Damian, I'm not going to be able to pull up Triactin. Oh, yes. All right, Peyton, you got me on that one because I thought that Triactin was some sort of a Canadian version of Tylenol or something. So that was a good one, dude. That was a good one. You got me. You roasted on that one, dude. I like it. That was good there. Oh, my gosh. That was a good one. Crystal, that was a good one because I thought Triactin was some sort of like Canadian version of Tylenol or something. Iotx and KRY. I just want to make sure that these are coins instead of stocks, but I cannot view them on Weeble. Nah, those are gonna be coins. I cannot review them on Weeble, man. And once we get another streaming setup going with a different laptop that's got some better RAM, I think that we're going to be better off for going out and checking different coins on some different websites. But if I start pulling up all these different websites, it overloads the computer and I start lagging. Then Streamlabs wants to cut out. When Streamlabs cuts out, it cuts the stream and it kicks us off YouTube. So unfortunately, hold that thought until we upgrade the streaming setup. And then Damien, yes, and you won't have to send a super chat. I just go and check them out for you, man. Let's see. Bud, 32289, just logged on. Any reason why Shiba is dropping? Bud, I don't think there's a specific reason why Shiba is dropping right now, okay? I think it has a lot to do with people kind of coming to terms with what Robinhood was saying, and the people who were buying Shiba Inu coin in the first place because of Robinhood are kind of falling off a little bit. They're getting bored. Some of the other people who bought it because of FOMO are getting bored, and so on, man. So we will see some of this downward action, and beyond that, I mean, I still think, you know, we've got excellent potential for short-term and long-term gains. Cool, brother, Damien. And once again, man, I'm sorry that you sent that in a super chat, and I don't have the capacity to go out there and pull up all these different websites right now, but I will do. I mean, you guys don't have to send a super chat to pull something up either, but I'll try my best, dude. I'll try my best once I'm able to not overload the computer, because the CPU is ripping 45% right now. Chris, what website are you using? Chris, this is Webull, man. This is Webull. It's a stockbroker in the U.S. if you're not in the U.S. But it's a stockbroker in the U.S. and they also have, actually they got quite a few cryptocurrencies by now. Let's see. Well, it's actually a stockbroker out of China, but they've got U.S. platform. All right, Shiba Inu sitting at 48.58 right now. AMC 38.41. GameStop getting a little green candle there. $199.51. And Prog rolling 3.55 right now. Man, I love it with Prog getting all these gains here. Heck yeah, man. Still in the green on Prog. I like it. Farmy sitting at 32.29. Farmy needs to rip, guys. I don't understand why Farmy doesn't like to do anything at all. About when it only cost $40 for 7 million and got me 167 million. So whether it goes up or down, I'm holding. Shades Vision, very nice, man, very nice. And JB, thank you for answering, Chris. Really appreciate that, man. Just bought 50 million Shiba. Skywalker, I love it, dude. Thank you. Yeah, Chris, thanks, dude. Absolutely, man. Poor guy just paid for info that's literally in the description of the video. Hashtag rest in peace. Dang it. Oh, no. It is true, though. It is true. Webull. Actually, you know, you guys should know, I'm not going to pump it as hard after the description, or after the promotion ends, but today's the last day unless they extend the promotion. But if you sign up for Webull today and you deposit $100, you get 2 free stocks. That's just normal. But then if you trade at least $1 worth of crypto or buy at least $1 worth of crypto, you get at least $5 in free Shiba Inu coin. So check that out if you want to go grab some free Shiba Inu and move on from there. But today should be the last day unless they do it. Prog, you're welcome. Yes. Let's but click payment for order flow. But JB, yes, man, payment for order flow. Oh man, worst thing that ever happened was to give people the opportunity to buy stocks without paying $10 commission on each side of the trade, right? It's the worst thing that ever happened to retail investors. Go look at Robinhood stock. It went down. Shiba Army sending a message. I like it, humble guy. And you know what? That might not even be the Shiba Army sending a message. I believe a lot of people see right through Robinhood, okay? And I think you guys can tell, too. You know, it's nice. The COO did an excellent job of speaking with Yahoo Finance yesterday. But it's so obvious when somebody that works for or represents a company tries to tell you that they have your best interest in mind by doing something that you think you want, but you really don't want it. Like them telling you, I don't know what happened to the customer always being right, but that's certainly not the case, because now these companies, they're telling you what's right. And even if you don't want something, or even if you do want something, they know it better than you. So they're going to save you from yourself, man. That's exactly what Robinhood is doing to us. They're saving us for making all this money on Shiba Inu coin. So good for them. Robinhood can't even keep their customers' personal information private. And you know what? Security is their #1 concern, according to the COO of Robinhood Crypto. So with security being their #1 concern, you would think that they would be able to keep their emails safe. Hey, Clay, having lunch with the wife? Can you say hello to Christina, please? Cavilo! Absolutely, man. Hello, Christina. Hopefully you're having a wonderful lunch with your husband there. Sounds like a great day for the both of you. I would argue personal trainer's entire job is telling you what's right and what you got to do. Personal trainer, maybe, okay? I would also argue that if you're telling your personal trainer that you feel like your leg is about to break and you can't handle that weight, and the personal trainer's like, no, you look good to me, your form's excellent, and you're telling him what you're feeling, and he's saying, no, that's just push through the pain, and then all of a sudden you're paralyzed, that might be bad. Might be bad, dude. Review Dork has a lot of... Oh, man, why? DJ Quagmire, what happened to him? What did he do? I'm just holding 830,000 Shiba tokens for $40. 2 port at the moment. Series, nothing wrong with that, especially if you're holding long term. I mean, think about it. Maybe if you just go to a penny and you're sitting on 8 grand, excellent. Excellent. If you've turned $40 into 8 grand, perfect. Because then you can get 8 grand in the next Shiba Inu and turn it into over $1 million like that 35-year-old dude that worked at the warehouse. Hashtag truth, man. Hashtag truth. Let's see. Galaxy Bit Farm, bro. Why all crypto stocks are down today, even though Bitcoin is steady. Yeah, Bitcoin was actually up a little bit earlier, but we are seeing some volatility in stocks or in cryptos like Shiba Inu Coin and some of the other like lower cap cryptos that could be causing some of that volatility in the crypto mining stocks and in blockchain stocks. That was awesome. She got a kick out of that. Cavilo, nice, man. That's what I'm talking about. Hopefully you're enjoying your lunch with Christina there. That's great, man. Now, it's a good time to buy Shiba to current price. Hey, on Keat, okay, I'll be very candid with you. We may see a bigger pullback. Since we broke out of that line, since we broke out of that wedge, where's my stuff at? Since we broke out of that wedge, we may see a broader decline, okay? And we may see it pull back to around this 4,300 level. That's why we have this support line here. So if we zoom out, we can see that we came back and we tested it here. We tested it down in here and like here and here. So 4,300 is significant, and that's the level we're keeping our eye on right here. So if we broke out of this wedge to the downside and we continue to hit lower highs, then we may be experiencing a pullback to the 4,300 level. So if you're thinking about adding, you just keep that in mind, okay? We could bounce right here, absolutely, but this is the next level of support that I've got on the chart. You guys may have a different one, and if you do, let us know, you know? That's how we learn. We sit there and we take what everybody's looking at and put it into perspective. I am holding Shiba at an average of 6,700. Devins, my average is 5,500 right now, man. I want Shiba to fall back to 40 before I buy additional coins. Good deal. 40 might be... So if you're saying 40, that's tough because if you're saying 40, you might actually see it go below that. So the next level, I would say, okay, yeah, 40 in that area there. 39 could be some support that you found back here. Nothing wrong with that. Watch that 4,300 level, though. Okay. Let's see. I like Trust Wallet. I've actually got Coinami. I've used Garda Wallet and Trust Wallet. Personally, I like Coinami and Trust Wallet better than Garda, but I would say use Trust Wallet. If you buy at a price on Coinbase and your investment goes below, do you lose that investment forever, or does it stay at that level and you make profits again when it rises above the original price? Yeah, Corbin, you make profits again when it rises above the original price. So if you were to buy Shiba Inu coin right now at 4,900 and it goes to 4,800, you know, you're just losing whatever that is, 2%, 1%. Like, I don't know what it is. You're just losing a little bit of money. And then once it starts going back up again, then you're making that money. You would only lose that forever if you close out on it. So, you know, if it goes back up to 5,000, you're making money. But if you don't close out on it, then it comes back and you're back to break even. I'm going to go buy more Shiba at 4,300. We'll go there. Very nice series. Only holding around 3 million Shiba and buying more. But it hits 43 to 45. Very good. Your personal trainer argument was cheating. Yeah, I know it was. I was going a little. I was stretching a little bit. That was like me saying a nutritionist telling me to eat my vegetables, comparing me to them telling to eat poison, and a good trainer pushes you, but it doesn't hurt you. Yes, facts, man. I had to cheat a little bit, man, because I saw where you were going with it. Hi, Clay. Hello, everyone. Davey Crockett. How you doing, man? AMC Trapper. What's up, bro, family? How you doing, AMC Trapper? Glad to have you. I pulled all out. I put back in at 43. Very nice, Crystal. What we do not need, Robinhood people just don't want to use their wallets or apps they're given to buy Shiba. We could skyrocket to a penny without them many paper hands. Wi-Fi. Yeah, I agree. I don't think we need Robinhood. I really don't. Ding ding ding, Frank. Yes. We get the market close going on right now. Ding ding ding, market close. Is that what we got? We closed at $38.27 for AMC. Sheba sitting at $48.99. GameStop $199.19, and Prague sitting at $352. Man, Prague is just really holding up at my level, my break-even level. And look at that, man. Farmy after hours trading up 1% already. Farmy actually might have some news. Let me see what the news is. I want to see what the news is for Farmy since I'm sitting on Farmy. They might have an earnings release out there that I've been waiting on to decide whether or not I want to continue holding. Do I have them on this chart? Joan De Jesus. Oh, here they are. I was going to say, Joan De Jesus, go give me some Farmy news since you know about Farmy. Oh, that's nothing, dude. Nope. No news. No news is good news, right? All right. So we are moving back to go Shiba, and then we'll go custom. All right, 49.44. AMC sitting at 32.10. Or no, that's Farmy. Why is Farmy up here? 32.10. My God. We don't want Farmy up here. What do I get for clicking on it? All right, 38.21 for AMC, 200 for GameStop, Prague down to 349, and Shiba sitting at 49.50 right now. MS Workmeister, not Miss, MS Workmeister. Seems like we would have a boom. We would have a boom to crypto after the inflation news. Just going in for this session. Any insight into why everything is taking a hit? Dude, no, I don't have any massive insight as to why everything would be taking a hit right now. I know, and I'm not sitting here trying to like debate political agendas or anything like that, but like on a massive scale, it could have something to do with the infrastructure bill. That would be my best guess. Okay, whether you guys think it's good or whether you think it's bad, like, who cares? But that would be my best guess as some massive news that could be driving overall markets. So that would be my first guess, and probably my only guess at this point. I know that Evergrande, however you say them, was defaulting on some of their loans, but I don't think that that would have like the overall market repercussions that we're seeing right now. Yeah, Nicholas, I know that Evergrande defaulted, but then they did pay their bills late. So I don't think that that would have the overall catastrophic feel of like, bringing the entire market down like something that a political bill would have. So could be a little bit of a mix of those things and so on, but those are what I would be looking at. Buy calls on Coinbase having some good news. We need to concentrate. We will concentrate, man. What time frame are you looking for? Looking for your analysis? John, so that analysis of that longer term wedge was a 4-hour chart, pulled all the way back down to the 700 point price low that we had 2 months ago. Devil's Advocate earnings call is at 4:30 for Prague Clay, but doesn't the actual earnings and writing usually come out before the call? If so, when? Yeah, and you'll most likely see those, I don't know, I guess about 15 minutes, possibly a half hour before. So with that being said, Jay, thank you very much, Jay. Jay says, Sheba buying at 43. Let's go, Sheba Army. Are you going live for Veterans Day to all my brothers? Happy birthday, Marines. 75. Yes. So yeah, we will definitely be live. Definitely on that, and thank you to all the veterans out there. We'll clearly be showing our appreciation. But let's see, Shiba 43, excellent. Jay knows where that level of support is, and Jay's watching if it dips down to 43, buying more Shiba Inu coin there. And once again, man, Jay, thank you very much for all of the support. It is absolutely incredible. And now I forget what I was saying. Not to. Oh, I'm gonna move Prog. That's what I was doing. Jay, man, Jay making me lose concentration all over the board, but I can't complain, Jay. I can't complain. Thank you very much, man. Let's see what we got here. Let's swap GameStop for Prog. So let's put Prog over here so we can see if we got any activity coming on, and then we'll just throw GameStop over here for a minute. So we'll watch that bad boy after hours, see if we can get some action in there. Prog top of the list for short squeeze potential there. Clay, thank you for being worth serving. Devil's advocate, you're amazing, man. Good afternoon, Clay. Spider Claude, what's going on? How are you? What do you think about Mars coin? I don't know too much about it, but I know a lot of people talk about it. U.S. Army and that. We got everybody in the house today, Frank. It's amazing, dude. Banana Man, if he is, Prog will be a dead cat for sure. Did not see what Banana Man said. Good, Jay. Good. Heck yeah. Kraken Dev just posted that they are in development for Sheba and to bear with them. I gotta check that out. Did they post that? Because that just sounds like a cop-out. Bear with us. We say we're going to get it on tomorrow, and then we actually had no intentions of getting it on tomorrow. Imagine that. Kraken. Let's see. Where do they say that, on Twitter? I don't see that anywhere on Twitter, man. If they said that on Twitter, I don't see that anywhere. Let's see here. Oh my gosh, Davey Crockett. Thank you very much, Davey. Clay, when I get a reply from a comment, it says, contact me at. Is that a phone number? Forgive me, but I'm old, over 70, and not very good on this tech stuff. Still use an old flip phone. Should I text it? Davey Crockett, absolutely not. So look, man. I'm going to make it very clear, I'm not giving anybody my phone number. I'm never posting anything like that online. Those are all, I don't even know if they're bots, but they're definitely people out there that just don't go away, constantly trying to get you to message them, sign up for something, whatever their intentions are. That is not me. And I want everybody in here to know that. If you do want to message me, you can email me at claybro883@gmail.com. Or you can follow my Twitter, Claybro883 on Twitter. The link for that is in the description, so you can check that out if you want. But no, I will not be posting anything like that anywhere. So those are definitely, I don't know if they're necessarily scams, because I've never texted. I have no idea what those people want. But it's not me. Are you getting in on it tomorrow, huh? Speaking of, where is Elizabeth? Elizabeth, are you out there? Davey Crockett, thank you for reminding me, because you know, it's funny, my mom and dad actually both have mentioned that to me before. Oh, hey, I didn't know you were giving people your phone number. It's like, Mom, you don't even know my phone number? What do you mean? It's not me messaging people. Message me at this phone number. Like, you should know my phone number. Bro never uses. Yeah, man, and I'm not gonna be sitting there. Like, if I can't even keep up with everything that I got going now, I'm certainly not making you guys message me on 10 different platforms. What's a Gmail? Is that like when Trapper sends mail because he's straight up G, or what? Some dial-up stuff? Yeah, man, that's old school stuff. Devil's Advocate, you might not know about it. Review Dork is basically endorsing day trading AMC, saying it's smart to sell and buy back at a lower cost, increase their position for the MOAS. Well, the MOAS will never happen if we do this. Oh, man. Yeah, dude. It's so the MOAS will never happen if you do that. It is gosh, it is a way to definitely build up your position in AMC if you are good at day trading it and you can take advantage of the volatility in that way. But the MOAS comes from not selling back when the stock price is rising. And if you are selling back and selling back to the hedge funds, then you're very likely to see, you're very likely to miss out or stifle the mother of all short squeezes. So I see that he could be catching some flack on that. Salvatore, we got Salvatore Piazza. Tomorrow AMC will bounce back. I love it, Salvatore. Yes, man. I love that name too. Salvatore Piazza. Great day when Salvatore's in here. That's how you make MOAS become, yeah, exactly, devil's advocate. We don't need to do that nonsense. Bro, any news on Jasmine Coin? I want to invest, but not sure. Hip-hop video star. Honestly, I do not know what's going on with Jasmine Coin. I know a lot of people come in here talking about it, but you know what we should do? We should just add that to my list right now. I still got that Excel sheet open, so. Alright. We got that on the list there. We're going to keep that rolling. See what goes with that list. If you guys got any tiny little coins that you have no idea what's going on with them, we're going to get like a little lottery ticket portfolio, lottery ticket wallet going for 2022. Beat earnings per share, missed earnings. Oh my, beat the revenue maybe, and then missed earnings. Come on, Prog, what are you doing? Is that why we got a decline here down to 3? Gosh, I didn't even see it, man. Down to 281 on Prog. My goodness. Would have been nice to grab some at 280. Bouncing back already to 330. They really were worried about Prog there. You guys see that decline right there? I hope you can see it. The dropping from 350 all the way down to 275. And then bouncing back nicely at 330 right now. Dang, what a volatile move. Counselor Murray, thank you for the super chat. Were the Bears cooking? Yes. So we've been in this 36 to 48 range for so long now. Whole market took a dump, so I'm not worried. Let's go, Counselor Murray. The Bears were trying their best today, man. Bringing AMC down a few more percent. 2 red days in a row. Don't scare me. I hope they don't scare you. But you are correct, man. We've been in this $36 to $48 range for months now, and it seems like it will never stop dragging on. Clay bro, do you realize I fought and struggled and dedicated myself to the wrench, and it held for 2 weeks straight? Help me, Obi-Wan Claybroni. Frank, you have realized that you have had that wrench for 2 weeks straight, and I haven't taken it away yet, right? Prog's dump was fake. Wrestler, yeah, Prog's dump was fake. Just giving you those little scaredy cats right before the earnings release getting out. Sucks to be them, though. They got back in because it was good news. What's your opinion on Iotx as of lately? Catherine Gordon, I have not been following Iotx, so I don't know exactly what it's doing. Clay, bro, love you, I'm straight. Nice, Devins. I really like that, man. Thank you. Clay, what are your thoughts on Saitama? Mark Anthony Francisco. I think a lot of people talk about Saitama. Excellent potential if a lot of people continue to talk about Saitama. Demand is really what drives the price of these cryptocurrencies higher, and as long as people can stay excited about it, the demand will continue to rise, and therefore the price will continue to rise. Where do you predict Shiba will be in 5 years? Robert, I hope Shiba, 5 to 10 years, is moving in on the penny mark. The market wasn't bleeding like this before. It's true. No hat, man. Devil's advocate, no hat on that. Before John spoke, the market was doing fine. John opened his mouth, the whole market fell off. So that could be the catalyst that everybody's looking at. John killed the market. John did kill the market, dude. Like, you talking about infrastructure stuff. I think John may have been the catalyst that killed the market. Iotx seems to have a good week indeed. Yes, Davey, a lot of people making money there, but I am not one of them. Hey, Clay bro, how are you, dude? Chris, doing great. How are you, dude? What's more important, actual revenue or earnings per share for earnings? So both of them are important. You always want earnings and revenue to be growing. But revenue's great, but you can generate $1 trillion, and if you can't keep any of that money, if you spend more than that, are you really doing good business? So I would say earnings per share is better than revenue. And it's okay. You can also look at things like revenue growth versus earnings per share growth. Are you becoming more efficient as a company, or are you becoming more wasteful as a company? If you're making, $100 million and your net earnings are a loss of $100 million, you're doing terrible. If the next quarter you're making $200 million, but your net loss is $200 million, clearly you're doing something wrong as a company. But if you're out there and you're making $100 million in your earnings per share or your net income is $98 million, you're doing excellent. So it's better that they beat earnings per share and missed revenue. Yeah, I would say an earnings per share beat, an EPS beat is better than a revenue beat. I would say that would be better. Hey, bro, I cannot hear right now. I've been with XYO for the longest time, and the roadmap is looking extremely bullish. Mind if you give me your thoughts on this? XYO, very sorry, I do not know what coin that is. Did you make that steak pizza? Logan, man, go check that Twitter. I can't believe you didn't look at the steak pizza that I made on Twitter last night. In this for the long haul. Amanda, I love it. Yeah, I plan on, I think I'm going to be keeping Shiba Inu Coin for quite some time, too. 2-year realistic price for Shiba. Definitely, I believe we're able to burn a 0 and be trading nicely in the 3-0 range over that time frame. Clay, the more you talk, the more I'm convinced you were a financial advisor before creating YouTube. Joan de Jesus, impossible, man. Impossible. Because we are not financial advisors. This is entertainment purposes only, dude. Entertainment purposes only. I gotta go. Appreciate all your videos. See you on later, or see you on the later one. Everybody hit the like button. Corbin, really appreciate that. And yeah, guys, go watch the videos too. Oh, and I do want to pump you up a little bit. Get excited, man. We're gonna be doing some killer giveaways in December. 25 days of Christmas. You better get ready now, because I plan on doing giveaways on every single video, in every single live stream for the first 25 days of December. We are going to kill it in December. Get excited about that right now, because it's going to be a lot of fun. Joan must have never seen a super sticker get sent. Never, man. Especially not a banana super sticker. My dude told me crypto was going to go down because pushing for crypto to be claimed on a 1099. Amanda, it's a possibility, right? But you still have to, any capital gains like that, you're still required to claim. So you got to think about that. Like, if you're capital gaining, but I don't know. It's a little weird if you're not gaining U.S. dollars. Okay? If you're not earning in U.S. dollars, are you earning at all? Like, taxing unrealized gains, can't do that. Banana Man! Click. When people ask, so what do you do for a living? What do you say? Banana Man. I know that like, you think people ask me that, but I'm going to be completely honest. I don't even leave the house, dude. I don't even leave the house. Like, nobody asks me that. Nick F, do I have any friends? Kind of sad to think about. But, unfortunately, that's the answer. Nobody asks me that. Dang, dude, just bringing up all these terrible memories. No friends. What do? I can't tell anybody what I do because nobody asks me. Darn it, Banana Man. I thought we were going to have a good day today. And now, no. AMC getting ripped after at 37.88. Come on with the red. Get out of here. But hopefully that would answer your question, because nobody does ask. His best friend is Chipbro, and I'm willing to bet that hasn't come up in the conversations. It has definitely not come up in the conversations. All Chipbro cares about is, where are my seeds, man? Come on, I paid $5. What'd you say? Oh, dude, yeah, Banana Man, I know. So I just wanted to make sure that you were okay with that answer. If somebody did ask, I would just tell them that I invest and I'm on YouTube all day long. Like, if I had to tell somebody what I did, and then they'd be like, oh my gosh, what do you do on there? I'd be like, oh my, look at AMC, Jiminy Christmas. I would just tell them, like, on YouTube, we have an investing, a financial entertainment channel where we talk about different investments, but I would tell them that I invest and do YouTube. My goodness. AMC, 3 red candles in a row. Really not liking that movement right now. Also, revenue is deceptive because I believe payments towards debt is reflected in EPS and not revenue. You are correct in that, Frank. And we know AMC is working towards paying off their debt. Can anyone verify? Yeah, so the earnings per share is going to include everything that was paid out. That is what they were able to keep as a company. And then they either pay the earnings per share out in dividends or they turn it into retained earnings and put it back on their balance sheet. So you are correct in that. Influencer, you could say it, but that's what I would say if somebody asked me. Need a hug? Jonathan, yes, man. Best altcoin to buy. Sheba, dude. What is this? Is AMC bumping back up to the close? Is that all that was? Dang, man, I do not like that decline right there. GameStop kind of going down $2 after hours too. A little volatility in these stocks after hours. AMC trying to fight back a little bit. My goodness, what's going on right now? Question, hey, how do they know to tax me when I never worked a job in my life? Tell me, Clay bro. Fruit Bowl. They're watching you all day long. They know where you live, who your friends are, and they're trying to take all of your money. That is... Look at the chart. It's dying. Any thoughts? I don't know if it's dying. A lot of stuff is actually falling. Luna, I believe, is on Weeble now. Are you talking about the stock or are you talking about the crypto? Now I need to know which one you're talking about. Peyton, who are friends, bro? We will go get pizza soon. Some real good pizza. Nice, Peyton. That's what I'm talking about. And we're friends. Not who are friends. We're friends. Good deal, Peyton. Thank you very much. And Peyton says, well, Peyton, what would I tell you? I do YouTube and I invest. That would be what I would tell somebody that I do. Primary means of tracking. Primary means of tracking? Like tracking you? That's our crypto. Is that what you're talking about, Jack? Is that what you got? Okay, we can look up that one because that is on here. Oh, no. Let's go big chart. I don't want to ruin all the graphs that are on there. Shiba falling back down, man. Hopefully, if it bounces off 43, great. But, oh, man, we got, like, no volume on Luna here. This is clearly not what you were talking about, is falling off a cliff, though. No, clearly not falling off any cliff. Luna is holding up just fine. Shiba Inu sitting at 4,700, falling out of that wedge to the downside right now, so please keep an eye on that. Everything in crypto is dropping. Could just be one of those times, man. Crypto really likes moving when, I don't know what Bitcoin's right now, but some of the bigger coins are falling. We get a lot of declines in the other cryptos as well. And we're your friends. Exactly. So, you guys already know what I do all day long. Hey, bro. But I made like $10,000 last year and I never had to pay nothing. I spent most of it, so how do they know? Fruit Bowl, how do they know what you made if you never had a job and you got all your money in cash? They don't. They don't know, dude. They don't know. If you're earning in cash, they don't know where you get your money. What do you feel about Saitama? I feel like a lot of people talk about it. Therefore, there's a pretty big base being built up around Saitama. Can we start a petition to get Fortnite to accept Shiba in a form of payment? Jimmy, I'm sure you can start a petition on anything. Well, people, and I guarantee people would sign that. Prague entered into an additional partnership with a large pharmaceutical company to evaluate its therapeutics with Progenity's oral biotherapeutics delivery system, OBDS, currently under development. Very nice, man. That's Pfizer, right? That's what you're talking about with Pfizer. Solana's at 222. Very nice, Mr. Keyframes. Do you have an idea why market crashes? Michael, yeah, so markets would crash for all types of reasons. I don't think the market's crashing right now, if that's what you're asking. I just want to name, dang it, Devil's Advocate. Yes, you think it's Pfizer, right? You didn't get your name, though. Your broker reports your gains and losses. If he was talking about making $10,000 from stocks, I made it off stocks and I kept transferring my gotcha. Fruit Bowl. Yeah, man, so if you're making it off stocks and you're not out there buying your stocks with cash, then whatever broker you're using reports your trades to the IRS. What's up with Cardano? What's Cardano doing right now? Is it falling? Was it 220 earlier? It's a sale today. Today is a very good looking buy day. Today could be a very good looking buy day. And I may also add on that dip if we go down there to 4,300. Drill Face, Clay Bro, thoughts on the AMC dip? Yes, I hope the AMC dip stops dipping and goes back up. I don't know, man. I think the people trading AMC are so frenzied when the stock price moves in either direction that it just exacerbates the whole thing. If it's going up, it's really moving up. If it's falling down, it's really falling down because people are getting pretty emotional and pretty caught up in the price swings. So I think when it does move, it's some more violent swings than some other stocks. Nick F. later, bro. Is Nick F. leaving? Gotta pick up a kid later. Oh, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nick F. Happy birthday to you. Guys, spam the chat with happy birthdays to Nick right now before he leaves. But he probably already has, so he might not see him. But happy birthday to Nick F, man. Congratulations on living another year. You're doing great, dude. Solana 218. Wow, dipping from 222 to 218. Cardano fell below $2. My gosh, we got some sell-offs coming. Cringe. Nah, Tony's, you liked it, man. Just wait till your birthday. You're gonna be cringing on your birthday when I sing to you too, man. Happy birthday, Nick F. Heck yeah, Clay brother. Where do you see AMC over the next week? Dominic, I want a move back up above 40. My goodness, I want to move above 40. Why not who? Not who. You're just a one-man army. You do it all, man. A true jack of all trades. Peyton Lockwood. I don't know, dude. I just try to be the best me that I can be. That's all I ever can do, man. But thank you very much for the super chat. And it's a happy birthday to Nick F out there. Enjoying his day. Happy birthday, 8, bro. Yes, yes, yes. What do you think Shiba bottom will be? Just 19. So I think we will have support at 4,300. Below that, a little support at 3,900. Okay, those are the two levels I'm looking at, but I don't know if that's where it will bottom out. Like, I have no idea how far it could actually fall. Losing a lot of money on Shiba. You know what? A lot of people are losing some money now, and a lot of people are gaining some pretty good money. So a lot of people that got in a little earlier are doing great. If you got in during the run up, then it did pull back significantly from there. Is Jasmine going to pop off like Bitcoin since it's being compared? I don't know if anything's ever going to pop off like Bitcoin. Robinhood stock crashed by the Shiba army. That's what you get for not listing it, man. People be kicking themselves in a few weeks for missed the opportunity to invest in crypto Inu as it's retracing. Be wise. Sheba's going to hit the moon. Give it time. Benny's Tropical Swimming Wolf. Dude, what is Benny's Tropical Swimming Wolf? That sounds cool. You only lose if you sell. Exactly right. Then you're just sitting on an unrealized loss if you don't. Clear, huge question. Why do you think Robinhood won't say anything on Shiba? Brian, I don't think they're saying anything on Shiba because I honestly think that they feel like they're backed into a corner and any wrong move could be their last move. So I think they're just going to be quiet on a lot of things. I think they're going to be, and then like if something does come up, they're going to try and point their finger at something else so quick. I honestly think that they're walking on eggshells. So that's my opinion, though. I don't know. I don't work at Robinhood, but I feel like that they're walking on eggshells. Prog is a roller coaster. Prog is a roller coaster, man. Prog doing pretty nice right now, running up to 370. Good deal. Like the earnings call. Prog's on a rocket. Yes, bro. Just bought another 10 million Shiba, 189 million total. Very nice, Tommy. Buying those dips, man. Can you give some insights on why Shiba's falling right now? Christian, I honestly think it has a lot to do with Robinhood saying that they are not talking about listing it, and they're kind of taking that off the table. And, you know, aside from that, it could just be the fact that a lot of people who were hyped up 2 weeks ago are calming down a little bit. Sell all your Robinhood? I don't have any Robinhood, so I can't sell any. Clay, bro, is there any chance Prog doesn't say who partnerships are on the call? And if not, when could we expect to hear? And also, for what reasons could they not tell us now? Devil's advocate, I guess there are reasons, like, that they wouldn't tell if they didn't want to. I don't know why they would want to. That's difficult, man. to keep that information from shareholders, I'm going to say no. Okay? I'm going to say no. That there would be no legitimate reason why they should or could keep that information from shareholders. So we'll see. Like, they might not make it a press release or something, but I don't see how they could keep that information from shareholders because we own the company. We need to know what's going on with the company. If I wanted to dip so they can buy in low, possibly. How long will Shiba go? How long will Shiba go? James, I don't know. Help me not get nervous. Oh, Amber, don't be nervous about the dip in Shiba. Is that what you're nervous about? MS Workmeister, thank you for the super chat. Wife told me I could buy 1 million Shiba for every pound I lose this year, down 43.5 pounds so far, and taking advantage of this dip to get caught up. Nice, MS Workmeister. I love it, man. That is great. 40, you can buy 1 million Shiba for every 40 or for every pound you lose. Question is, MS, what is the goal, man? What is the goal? Why is everything dipping? We just got a lot of sell-offs going on in the market right now. Robin Hood equals Astros. Oh my gosh. Shiba Army, where you at? Where is the Shiba Army? Come on. If you're in the Shiba Army, let us know. Later, Calamity Listen. All right, Devil's Advocate, let us know how that Prague earnings call goes, man. Love that. Heck yeah, bro. Just wanted to say hi. Always appreciate the work you put in. Mike, really appreciate that. Thank you. Good job, Tyson. Oh, yeah. We got any Shiba Army in here? Later, Devil's Advocate. Yes, come back to us and let us know how it went. I'm in the Army. Dan, very good. 546 viewers. Christian, smash the like button, guys. Shiba. Falling and bouncing a little bit. We got some Shiba Armies in the chat. Good deal. I think it's going to be 2 zeros. No. I don't think we're going to lose 2 zeros this year. Nope, I don't think we lose 2 zeros in 2021. AITX. Oh, man, that's a old school. Oh, my gosh. AI security stock, right? Shiba Army, Shiba for life. How long will Shiba... You mean how low will Shiba go? Heck yeah, brother. Dan, I like it, man. Shiba Army in the house. Devil's Advocate, peace out, bro. I'm in Shiba. Very good, Anthony. Me as well. MS Workmeister. Still have another 40 to go. Get to the goal weight, but might accidentally buy another 20 million. That's good, dude. Nothing wrong with that, dude. Nothing wrong with that. It's just a little icing on the cake. It's like your bonus for reaching the goal. You know, you got $1 million per pound, and then you've got the goal bonus for reaching your goal. It's not an accident. You got the goal. Sheep to infinity. Let's get it. What do you think about BTT and RSR? BTT, what is that? BitTorrent or something? That's very low priced as well. RSR, not. Jetmir, what is RSR? Not sure I know. Starting the Sheep Fortnite petition right now. Jimmy Powell, get it going. I don't play Fortnite, so I wouldn't have any interest in Fortnite taking it, other than the fact that it could drive the prices of Shiba Inu up with a lot of people interested in using that platform to buy and trade it. Sup, Clearbro? At what point would you cut your losses and sell? Not planning on selling my shit, but I can see it going much lower. So yeah, Hedgehog, if you are planning on selling and getting back in, that's a legitimate strategy, right? But I would not. And that's completely subjective. So it's up to you when you think you can't handle that loss anymore. But I do want to point out, okay, as something is falling like Shiba Inu Coin is right now, and AMC, same deal, when you've got things falling like that, and you're thinking about getting out, if you're approaching a level of support like this, it's very difficult to justify ever getting out. If we fall down to 4,300 points per coin, and you're like, yeah, it's time for me to get out. I'm going to get out right now. You're expected to run into support here. It's going to hold up. So I would always recommend wait to see what happens if you're around a line like this, a line of support. It may bounce back up, and if it breaks down through, then I would consider selling. So I would never sell before it breaks that line. I would sell if it does break that line, and I don't want to handle that risk anymore. But if it's bouncing off of it, I say that's important. And you see, we could be just getting a little support in this area right here where we touched it on 2 4-hour candles. It could be what we're seeing as far as support there. Click, what sector do you think will be the dark horse of 20? Oh, man. Man, Joan De Jesus, that is that's too hard to pick, man. That's too hard to pick. Oh my gosh. What do you think, dude? What do you, that's like, that's as hard as picking a winner, man. What do you think about being the dark horse of 2022? It's actually a good question. The vacuum before the explosion could be Gene. We got some movement in here right now. Shiba Army 400 million plus. Nice. Keep or sell AMC. I am keeping my AMC. I am keeping my AMC until the shorts cover their shares. Gotcha. Appreciate the answer, bro. Hedgehog, really appreciate you asking the question, man. 4,800. 4,800 is not bad. We're bouncing back nicely with these green lines coming in here. 48.42. 45.65 was the low. Look, 45.65, almost already back up 400 points. It's a 10% jump just in the last 10 minutes. Guys, that's volatile, okay? Like, that's a volatile move. If you can't handle that sort of volatility, I mean, crypto might not be for you. Shiba Inu, yes, Shiba Inu on the top right. Spider Claude, I had 167,000 on my 3 accounts on Monday. Today, as of 2 minutes ago, I have 117,000. Down 51,000 in 2 days. Who cares as long as AMC goes to 1,000 plus? Maybe I'll buy this Shiba Dip. Nice, Spider Claude. Ridiculous, man. Ridiculous on the pullback. It has to be hard to swallow some volatility like that. But that's all that it is, dude, is volatility. If you believe in the reason you bought the stocks and cryptos in the first place, then yes, you're going to be doing fine. Stick to that plan and stick to your reasoning. But that's just an example, guys. You have to be willing to eat that volatility if you expect to make those gains. Sell your Robinhood products and join the Shiba Army. Yes, do it. All my bills get paid. My 401k continues to grow until I have life-changing money, and they're just numbers on a screen. Dude, when they're just numbers on a screen, you're not going to be scared. Buy the dip, bro, on Shiba, bro. Yeah, Dan, so it could be a time to buy the dip on Shiba, but I'm keeping my eye out on that 4,300 level. Don't panic sell for a loss. That is not what we do here. I don't think anybody here panic sells for a loss. Will 50 million Shiba make me rich? Amiga. So 50 million Shiba could make you rich. Longer term, I don't know what you got your Shiba at, but longer term, if you're talking prices like half a penny, a tenth of a penny, and so on, if you think you can reach those prices, then absolutely. At a penny, you'd be sitting on $500,000. Hey, check out DXY. The dollar value is way up and would explain the crypto being down. So if the dollar is not going to explain why crypto's down that far. Okay, the DXY being up at best is probably up 1%. It's not going to explain 10-20% dips in the crypto market. So I wouldn't say that's a full explanation of it. I would say it has more to do with that. But yes, since a lot of stuff is compared against the dollar and all of these cryptocurrency pairings are against the US dollar, if the US dollar rises, that could cause these cryptos to fall a little bit. But the US dollar typically doesn't rise enough to cause drastic moves in crypto. Thanks for answering. Absolutely, Amiga. There's so much more in the entire market that's red. Don't panic, guys. Exactly. So much gore in the entire market. I thought he was going to say so much more red, but gore. CBC just reported Adam Merritt will sell some of his shares. Daniel, yeah, he said that during his earnings call. CEO dumped all his shares. No, he's not allowed to dump all of them. Bought 2 million shares of Shiba again. Nice, man. Adding to the position. It's just a red day. Don't sweat it. Tomorrow could be a green day, and we all could be happy. Is KuCoin down? I can't log into the app. Somebody who has KuCoin, I do not. Help out MS right there. Is KuCoin down right now? Any confirmation on that? Cannot log into the app. We need to know. Amber, exactly why I come here. You make me feel better. Amber, thank you very much for hanging out with us. But no, it is real, guys. You know, I understand red days. I understand the type of panic and emotions that can get involved with trading and losing out on some money and so on. But, you know, you can't panic like that. If you do, then you will end up losing money. So even if you have to sit on a loss for a little while and watch it turn back around, long term, everything is growing. Okay? Now long term, not everything is going to make it, but long term, that's the market. Like if it doesn't grow long term, it doesn't deserve to be around. It's just stagnant at that point. Something will outpace it. So long term, we're in a good position. Short term, we have to weather the storms or fight the battle. Henry, don't spam, man. I'm telling you, somebody's gonna time you out if you spam like that. Night raid, somebody's gonna time you out. You start spamming like that. We might go slow mode here if you guys keep throwing up the spam. Yeah, but no, I'm buying sets as it goes down to average, and we'll ride these gains all the way back up. Sheba to the moon. Very nice, Raymond. When COVID happened, everything went red for a long time, but we exactly, Davey. That's a good way to look at it too. Everybody thought the world was going to end back in March of 2020, and we're well above where we were in March of 2020. Tazal, thank you very much for the super chat. If you have a message and I do not see it, one of the mods, please make sure that I see Taz12's message there. But regardless, thank you very much for the support with that super chat, Taz. I really appreciate all of you guys. And look, if you don't want to send super chats, if you don't like to send super chats, whatever, it helps just as much, guys, to click the like button, to be active in the chat, to subscribe to the channel. All of that stuff is extremely helpful. Next, Axie Infinity. Okay, there you go. DNA Cat could be a good one. Can Shiba lose 1-0 by... I think so. Vamsi, I think that Shiba could lose a 0 by the end of 2021. Is it really going up again? Oh, yeah, it could definitely go up again. Can you check dot up? Dot up? Is that another coin? I don't know if that's another coin or not. AMC pulling back down to $37 right now. Really falling 4% during trading hours and 3% after hours. Just creating an even bigger dip out there. Shiba Inu Coin sitting at $47.98 right now. Prog at $3.50. Prog just loves to flirt with my entry price. When will Shiba stop bleeding? It may have already stopped bleeding, okay? If not, we do have very strong support at 4,300 points per coin. So, Clay, holding Shiba and AMC and GME, I've got not a care in the world. Hitting the like button, buddy. The room is fantastic. Thank you very much. What do you think about Dogelon Mars? The Adventures of Fat Man and Blobbin. I really like that name, dude. Do you just, do you have a channel? Or what's up with the name? I gotta look more up on Dogelon Mars because I don't know what they do, and so many people talk about it that I gotta look it up. Will Shiba shoot back up? I sure hope so. When BTC 69.420? Soon, Mar. Somebody better screenshot that. Hey Clay, what do you think about LRC? I don't know anything about LRC. I used to let my emotions get me, not more. Nice, Be Fresh. Should I buy right now? You could, but I'm kind of watching for support at 4,300 to be hit. Look at all the crypto. Most in the red now. Relax, people. Yes, Miriam. It's time to relax. Who's that? So AMC, yeah, just AMC's glitching back and forth right now between the current price and the close for the day. That's all that it's doing. It's not actually going all the way back up to 38 anything. It's falling. It's at 36.89 right now. So that's what you're looking at there. Dip done, time to buy Shiba. Dirge, it could be done, but if it's not, we're looking at 4,300, okay? Your patience is amazing. Having to repeat the same info all the time, I'd lose my... No, listen, Danelle, I understand, though. There's a lot of you guys who chill out in here for the, the entirety of the stream. And so you see that a lot of people do ask the same questions, right? I mean, that's evident. But, I can see the analytics right now, and I'm refreshing it, and the average watch time is it's loading. To see the average watch time, let's see. I don't understand why it takes so long to load, man. The average watch time on this particular stream is 4 minutes and 17 seconds. So I understand that people come, people go, and they're not all staying in here for the entirety of the stream. So, 4 minutes. You can only expect same group of people to be in here every 4 minutes. Let's see. During the end of the world crisis or a zombie apocalypse, if it comes to someone needing my help, I remember to ask if they sold their Shiba Inu during this time. And if they say yes, I'm walking away. Charles, I'm not selling my Shiba Inu, man, so please do not walk away from me. What about Cardano? I think Cardano's got a lot of long-term potential, and I don't know what it's at right now. Somebody told me it was below $2. What's Cardano sitting at right now? Oh, 208. Man, what a nice dip there. Gee, many Christmas. Came down to a $1.94 and all the way back up to 208 right now. Wow, some volatility on that for sure. Looking at the 1 minute chart, yeah, man, really dipped down to a $1.94 and all the way back up to 208 right now. That would have been a pretty good entry on that. Wow. So crypto definitely taking in some volatility right now, guys. If you're in crypto, it's not just Shiba Inu coin. It's acting pretty volatile right now. It seems to be all over the crypto market. Are you buying more Shiba Inu? Bull trading, yeah, I do plan on buying more Shiba Inu, but I didn't buy any today. And if I do buy, I'm probably going to be adding around that 4,300 range if that holds up. You follow Review Dork in his post. So Henry, I do follow. I did not see what he was saying on Twitter today, but JB mentioned that he was talking about day trading AMC to build up your position. It is a way to build up your position if you can successfully day trade AMC. But if you're out there and you're trying to take advantage of some 5 to 10% swings, you're not going to be able to take advantage of the short squeeze, because you book your 10% gain, and then all of a sudden, it's shooting up and you're up 100%, or you would have been up 100%, but you sold your shares. And if you're going out there and you're day trading it, and every time it goes up a little bit, you're selling back to the hedge funds, it's not how to trigger a short squeeze. So I guess you got to make the decision. I'm not day trading AMC. Personally, I believe if you're comfortable with options and you want to take advantage of the volatility, day trade the options. You know what I mean? Like that doesn't do anything for the hedge funds buying shares back, but I would say do that as opposed to going out there and selling shares, because anytime you sell shares, you can be selling them directly back to the hedge funds. She was just consolidating, then boom! I hope we get it. Also, day traders get burnt all the time, Dan. I mean, it's true. Time to load up. Israel, let's go. Can you explain the number of people holding Shiba is going up to 945,000 now? So why is the price going down? Pete, so the price could be going down because some people could be selling off some of their position and not all of it, and other people are buying as it dips lower. So it doesn't necessarily mean that just because the number of holders is rising, the number of holders could be holding less. What about Cardano? Cardano fell down to about $1.94 and is back up to 208 now. Had a very nice dip and then a very nice bounce. But I think Cardano's got a lot of long-term potential. Lock and load. Let's ride the wave. It's coming. Shiba Army holds strong. Let's get it. Shiba is a different breed. Loading up. Shiba is a different breed, guys. Man, AMC really taking one hard today. 36.40. I got to pull this out and see what's going on. Down 5% after hours, man. Really not liking this action here. Falling back down. All right, so this is exactly, if you're on that daily chart, actually it's not that incredible that it's falling like that. So we've got this wedge. Gosh, let's go. This bull flag. I'm sure you guys know about AMC, so you know this bull flag, right? And we started it from the $1.94 low, and then we were tracking the higher lows that we kept hitting. And then from the top of the run up back in June, the lower highs that we were hitting. And you can see that we've been tracking this wedge very nicely for the last couple of months. And this pullback right here is taking us exactly down to the bottom of that wedge. So this may be the point right here. This is after hours trading. So today's trade right down to about $38. took us to the bottom of that wedge. After hours trading takes us all the way down to 36.75. We're trading down at the lower end, below the wedge right now. So if you get some follow through on this tomorrow, that could be a bottom side breakout, but it may just be some after hours volatility, and we could end up back in this wedge here, knowing that we closed inside of it today. But dang, man, it's a pretty steep pullback on AMC after hours. Apes are not selling this AMC. This is some dirty hedge fund crap. I don't think apes are selling. No, I think day traders and retail traders are still selling AMC, but not apes. Chapter, I'm going to get crunk and go live in a couple hours. TP! Transparency Project going live, man. Check it. Make sure to stop by his live, guys, and check him out. About due for a bot attack. Oh, we are about due for a bot attack with these pullbacks, for sure, man. Crypto just crashed for a minute, and it's coming back now. We're good. VeChain, also another big name that I support, but I do not have any VeChain in my portfolio right now. Trapper, tell Clay to toss me a wrench before crap gets crazy. Transparency Project. You know what, dude? Hang out with us for the next 10 minutes. You know why? Because you do have a wrench for the next 10 minutes. You do have a wrench for the next 10 minutes. I'll probably take it away tomorrow, though. But you got the free wrench right now. So you got a wrench for the rest of the day. Love it. Buying more. Riptide Redemption and Btt and Dip. My goodness. Sell and close Robinhood accounts and show them the Shiba army. Man, wouldn't that be nice? VeChain and VThor. Heck yeah. XRP. I do like Ripple as well. Okay? I like Ripple. AMC could be bouncing right now. I see a little bit of life coming in there. 10 minutes of massive power. Oh, yes, TP. That's what I'm talking about, man. Awesome Transparency Project. Got a wrench for the next 5 minutes. Enjoy it, man. It is yours. Or 10 minutes. We're going to be here until 5. What do you think about the fact that Austin is also fed up with Robinhood? You talk about the dude that does the Shiba videos, right? You talk about him? By Austin. I want to make sure I know who you're talking about before I go in there and you start to say something about somebody. I'm not going to do anything unless bots flood the chat. Good deal, Transparency Project. And Sheba, getting a little bit of life there, guys. More green candles. Wrench is time out. No, Amiga. So a wrench is a moderator. They can... Some of your guys' chats get blocked by YouTube if they're just emojis or if you've got, bad words in them, or if you're being negative or something, YouTube will block that chat. The moderators can allow that chat to go through. If somebody's acting crazy, they can put them in timeout. They can delete comments. They can block somebody from the channel, and so on. As in the recent response from emails, auto answer. Yeah, right. So let's lose a 0 on Shiba. 43 million holding. Joshua, let's get it, dude. Why is the whole market falling down? Danny, good question. If you're looking for news as to why the whole market would fall down, the biggest news that I can think is the infrastructure bill. Okay? Now, whether you agree with it or not, like, nobody cares, but that would be like market affecting news. Evergrande, probably pretty big deal as well, but I don't think Evergrande is as big as any sort of, U.S. political move that we've got, and that's what we got out there right now. What's up, Clay, bro? Nasty Investor. How you been, man? What website are you using? Killer. This is Webull. So actually, if you sign up for Webull, today is the last day for their promotion unless they extend it. But if you sign up and deposit at least $100, you get 2 free stocks. And then if you make $1 in crypto trades, or $1, like you just go out and purchase $1 in any crypto, you get at least $5 in free Shiba Inu coin. And the stocks, those always go on. But the $5 in free Shiba Inu, that is set to end today. So you can use the link in the description below for Webull if you want. If you guys do not live in the United States, you can use Binance. If you want to use my link for Binance, the international Binance link is down in the description below. But US, we got Webull. International, we got Binance. Am I the only one that still uses Coinbase? No, Miggy, you're not the only one. Claybro, never complain about the road you're on. It's your asphalt. Yes, that is right, man. It's always asphalt on the road. Oh my gosh, Nasty Investor. I like it, man. That's a good one. ARK, sick, really down 20%. Shiba, come on. No, Shiba's not down 20% anymore. It was down 20%. But now we're just sitting in a nice little 12% loss. Nothing to cry about on that one. It's all good. Prague back down to 330 right now. Volatility in the market, ladies and gentlemen. It is okay. Cornell's not a fan of Coinbase. All right, use Weeble then. Surge Inu is the next big thing. People love to move on to the next big thing before the first big thing is even over with. Read my last message about the call. Devil's Advocate said something about the call. He's not going to say who it's with. We are very excited to be in talks with such big companies, but it's too soon to say. Wow. It's too soon to tell the owners of the company who we're in talks with or who we're partnering with. Dude, that kind of stuff honestly makes me so mad. Like, gosh, I don't know who the CEO of Prague is or whoever was speaking on the earnings call, but you are literally talking to your owner, okay? You don't withhold, you're not talking to the public. This is not a press release. You are talking to your owner. Understand that. Like, come on. You cannot withhold information from your owner. Devil's Advocate, give me that dude's Twitter. I gotta tell him he can't be withholding information like that. It's just nonsense. What about Mana? So I think that Mana and Decentraland have they have a long way to go, but I think they'll get there. I'm bullish on Mana. I'm bullish on Decentraland, but I think they have a long way to go in terms of being a usable platform for a lot of people. Let's see here. Coinbase Pro account fees are lower. There you go. Go grab Coinbase Pro. And I'm banned on Twitter until on Transparency Project. Banned on Twitter. Trapper, should I go live in an hour or 2 hours? Got some work to do at home and banned on Twitter. Oh no! Substantial burns expected for Shiba soon. If there are substantial burns expected, I do not know. But there are constant burns going on. Ethereum name service, ENS. I am honestly heated. How are you going to say you're in talks and how many people you have partnerships but not with who? What are you, 5 years old? I have something to tell you, but I'll tell you later. Yeah, Devil's Advocate. That's like you telling that to your mom, though. You know what I mean? Like your mom and dad literally, I mean, they own you when you're 5 years old. So, nah, I've got something, but I'm not going to. You can't do that, man. And look, I honestly, since you came in here and said that, I honestly think that this is how their shareholders are reacting to it. They're selling it off right now. Back down to $3.01 because they realize the malarkey of like not telling your owners what's going on. So, yeah. I think that would affect the stock price on that. I would be disappointed. I am disappointed, but if I had a much larger position, I would be much more disappointed in the way they would have handled that there. You're talking to your owners. You're not making a press release. Well, your mom, Transparency Project. Your mom, dude. Your mom. The bigger the entertainment, burn party. The bigger entertainment burn party. Gotcha. Lewis, the one coming up on Friday. Is Surge actually burning Sheba? Charles, I don't know anything about Surge Inu, so I don't know if it is or not. What will be the metaverse crypto coin so that we invest? What will be the metaverse crypto coin so we invest in? I don't know. God, bum. Prog's just falling right off the chart there. Wait, what happened with Prog? So, Marcus, Prog actually had a decent earnings report, right? They had better than expected earnings per share, but they announced some partnerships, but they just said that, well, we're partnering with some people. We're just not going to tell you who we're partnering with. Which, to me, man, blows my mind that as owners of the company, management of the company is not telling us what they're doing. That's not how I see. That's not how I see things happening. Managers, great. We trust them to manage the day-to-day activity of the company, but we do not trust them to withhold information from us because we are the owners. Like you guys are, if you're a shareholder in Prog, as I am, Devil's Advocate, I don't know if Grandpa Barney's got Prog anymore. Wrestler's got Prog. We got a lot of Prog shareholders in here. And to withhold information from your shareholders, it's not the way to go about things, man. Being a wrench sounds like a lot of work. Kevin, nah, it's not a lot of work. Never. AMC dip before moon. Could be, because we are dipping pretty good right now. Just playing, bro. Good, man, because I was going to say, your mom, man. Your mom. Thoughts on Ripple? Listen, if Ripple accomplishes what they set out to accomplish, I think it's going to be a very big player in the financial future. Ripple plans on creating a network of just global financial transactions at a much lower rate and much faster speed than global transactions, like global financial transactions, can currently take place. If they accomplish that, I think it's going to be amazing. BBIG, I don't know. BBIG, I don't know, man. It's still a risk at this point. If you're into BBIG, I think it's a risk, but you can still see some balances in it. Upgraded the membership to a bro. Political Joker, man. Thank you very much for upgrading that membership to a bro. Really appreciate that. You guys know we need 820 welcome Political Jokers in the chat right now. Thank you very much for grabbing that green name. Really appreciate all the support, guys. SD my figure? What? I put more on Prague. Whoops. No revolution. Not a bad idea at all, because I do see Prague bouncing back. It could be an excellent time to get in. Knowing that it's down at 324 right now, could be an excellent time to get in. AMC sitting at 36.85, hopefully bouncing back a little bit after hours and going to stay within the wedge on the daily trading there. Oh my gosh, Transparency Project. Yes, welcome, Political Joker. Clay, read my PSA message, please. Public service announcement. This dude probably made a lot of people mad with holding that information. However, the play hasn't changed at all. Squeeze potential is still... Yeah, exactly, man. Exactly. All the squeeze potential, all that stuff is still intact. I mean, I do think it's dumb to withhold information from your shareholders, considering they literally own you. But the squeeze potential, what the hedge funds have shorted out there, that stuff has not changed. Prague is posting some ridiculous numbers with cost to borrow averages around 100%, short interest around 65%. The numbers are insane and very conducive to a short squeeze. But guys, it is 5 o'clock, all right? I know we got a lot of people in here. We got to get some time to get some videos out. If you haven't watched some of the videos from earlier today, make sure to check those out. But a little recap on what's going on right now. AMC down after hours, 36.92, bouncing back right now. Shiba, along with all other cryptos, pulling back a little, about an hour ago or so, and bouncing back. We're going to have to see what happens with that. Prague reported earnings tonight. Good earnings. They had a revenue miss, but they had an EPS beat, so that was good news. But they're sitting at $3.19 right now after announcing a partnership, but not telling us who it was with. GameStop trading $4 down at $196. And let's get some names in the chart or in the chat so we can get a shout out going. One last call for Webull. Okay, if you want $5 in free Shiba Inu coin, sign up for Webull tonight. All right, today's the last day for that promotion unless they extend it. If you do not live in the U.S. and you want to use Binance, make sure to use that. Click all this stuff in the description, all that good stuff. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram, Claybro883, and let's get these going. I'm new and subbed. Amiga, thank you very much. Really appreciate that. And thank you for letting me know that you subscribed as well. Tom, gotta leave, man. Sorry. AMC Trapper, peace out to all the diamond-handed apes. Joan de Jesus, tomorrow will be better. Today was a red day overall, guys. Yes. Julie Miller, bye-bye. Have a great evening. Transparency Project went live. 1111 Trapper, exactly. Or 1111 Trapper. What is that, man? 1111 Trapper? I must be way too tired. 1111 Mr. Simon, yes, went live. Javi, see you later. Political Joker, see you later. SD, 1111 Simon, Zach, Frank, man. DD214, Charles, Oxenemi, Brandon, TC, 3527, Grill Invictus, 1111 Mr. Simon, see you later, man. Tony Dinero. Oh, Tony, what's going on, man? Guys, Tony does a good job going live as well. Shout out to you, Tony. Have a good day, man. Davey, Samuel, Javi the Great, Anthony, 11 Mr. Simon. Right on, TP. Nick responds. Enjoy your evening, man. SD, Nathan, Javi, Amiga, AMC Trapper. He doesn't have Discord or WhatsApp. Correctamundo, AMC Trapper. Frodo, good night, bro. Kimberly, good Grandma, bro. Out. Kimberly, thank you very much, Grandma, bro. Messi, Green, David, Amiga, Brian, Vupala. SD, Oxneem, Charles, Pete, D, Donnell, Zachariah, Jason, Squirebot, like it, Joan Jesus, Sling Tang, 11 Simon, Amiga, Dylan, John, AMC Astronaut, Charles. All right, you guys know what time it is. So until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Oh my gosh, and Transparency Project right at the end. Transparency Project says, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Transparency Project, bye-bye. See you later, Transparency Project. Thank you very much for the super chat, man. Now, you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.